Have you ever felt like your body is working against you? You wake up tired, no matter how early you went to bed. You're moody, bloated, anxious, and your doctor keeps telling you everything's normal, but you know something's not right. Your period is unpredictable. You cry at things you don't even care about. And the weight? It's just stuck. Here's the truth. These aren't random symptoms. They're your hormones asking for help. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to heal your hormones naturally. No prescriptions, no crash diets, just simple, proven steps that work with your body, not against it. There was a time when I felt like a stranger in my own body. Years of fatigue, anxiety, painful periods, and nothing I tried ever worked until I finally learned how to listen to my hormones. Since then, I've helped thousands of women reset their systems naturally. And today, I'm giving you that roadmap. So what are hormones? Hormones are your body's messengers. They control everything: your mood, energy, weight, digestion, libido, sleep, focus, and more. When they're balanced, you feel vibrant and clear. When they're out of balance, everything feels harder. Some key hormones we'll be talking about today. Cortisol, your stress hormone. Insulin, regulates blood sugar. Estrogen and progesterone, reproductive hormones. Thyroid, controls metabolism. Melatonin, sleep hormone. Testosterone, affects motivation, muscle, and libido. Signs of hormonal imbalance. If you have 3 or more of these, it's time to reset. Constant fatigue, anxiety or depression, PMS or painful periods, bloating and digestive issues, weight gain, especially belly fat, brain fog, acne or hair thinning, irregular cycles or no period at all. Root causes of hormonal chaos. Chronic stress, spikes, cortisol, throws everything else off. Blood sugar crashes, from skipping meals or sugar overload. Sleep deprivation, messes with melatonin, cortisol, and estrogen toxins. In food, makeup, plastics, and cleaning products. Gut issues, poor digestion equals poor hormone detox. Let's heal your hormones. Step by step. 1. Balance your blood sugar. This is the foundation of hormone health. Stable blood sugar equals stable mood, energy, weight, and cravings. Eat a high-protein breakfast within an hour of waking. Include protein, healthy fat, and fiber in every meal. Cut caffeine on an empty stomach. Avoid skipping meals or going too long without food. Step 2. Fix your sleep. Sleep is your body's reset button. No amount of supplements will work if you're not sleeping. Aim for 7.5 to 9 hours of sleep. Avoid screens. 60-90 minutes before bed. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask. Try magnesium or calming teas if needed. Step 3. Manage stress and lower cortisol. Stress is a hormone disruptor. You can't heal in fight or flight. Daily breathwork or meditation. Nature walks or light movement. Journaling or gratitude practices. Reduce your yeses. Start saying no more often. Practice nervous system regulation. EFT, somatic work. Step 4. Support detoxification. Your liver processes excess estrogen and clears out hormone disruptors. Help it work better. Drink lemon water every morning. Eat cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, arugula. Avoid plastic containers and toxic products. Sweat regularly. Exercise or sauna. Consider gentle liver support like dandelion or milk thistle. Step 5. Heal your gut. A healthy gut is essential for hormone balance. It helps you absorb nutrients and detox estrogen. Eat prebiotic foods. Garlic, onions, leeks. Include fermented foods like sauerkraut and kefir. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar. Chew food slowly and mindfully. Consider adding a good probiotic if needed. Step 6. Use targeted supplements. Supplements aren't magic, but they can support the foundation you're building. Magnesium glycinate, for sleep, anxiety, PMS. Ashwagandha, helps reduce stress and cortisol. Maca root, supports libido and cycle balance. B complex supports energy and estrogen metabolism. Omega-3 reduces inflammation. DIM helps clear excess estrogen, only under guidance. Real-life stories. I've worked with women who reversed PCOS, regained their cycles, healed their anxiety, and finally felt at home in their bodies. This process works, not because it's extreme, but because it's in sync with how your body is designed to function. You're not broken. You're just out of rhythm. Let's get you back into flow. Common mistakes to avoid. Going on extreme diets like keto or intermittent fasting without hormone support. Ignoring sleep and just adding more supplements. Thinking birth control balances hormones. It actually replaces them, believing it's normal to suffer every month. It's not. Trying to fix hormones without addressing gut or stress. Recap. Your hormone reset plan. Balance your blood sugar. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Reduce stress daily. Support your liver, plus reduce toxins. Heal your gut. Add key supplements if needed. Pick one to start with this week. Don't overwhelm yourself. Progress is better than perfection. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future hormone healing content. Comment below. Which step are you starting with this week? You deserve to feel good in your body. Let's start your healing journey together.